Unlock the stars, understanding star charts. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, star chart. If you've ever gazed up at the night sky and felt curious about the twinkling stars, then you're in for a treat. A star chart is essentially a map of the night sky. Astronomers and stargazers use star charts to identify and locate celestial objects such as stars, constellations, and galaxies. They are tools for navigating the vast expanse of space from our own backyard. The practice of mapping the stars dates back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations like the Greeks, Chinese, and Arabs all created detailed charts of the heavens. Star charts were not only used for navigation but also held cultural and spiritual significance. There are different types of star charts for various purposes. Some are simple, showing major constellations, while others are complex, offering detailed views of distant galaxies. Planispheres, rotating star charts, are popular for their ease of use and ability to display the visible stars for any time and date. Using a star chart can seem daunting, but it's quite straightforward. You align the chart with the cardinal directions and match the chart to the night sky. This allows you to pinpoint the location of objects in the cosmos. It's a stellar way to learn and appreciate the night sky. I hope this video has illuminated the concept of star charts for you. They are not just tools for astronomers but can be a delightful part of any star lover's life. Keep looking up, and maybe tonight, you'll navigate the stars with your new knowledge. Happy stargazing!